So the question again, will mortgage rates drop in the next 5 years? Based on the estimates in this article, rates are not expected to drop significantly in the next 5 years. However, a Yahoo Finance article asks, will mortgage rates drop in the next 5 years? Let's start here. The 10-year Treasury yield and 30-year fixed mortgage rates are separated by a spread. The latest version of artificial intelligence, ChatGPT-5, suggested using a spread of 2.1 to 2.3 percentage points. Michael Wolff is a global economist, and he lays out his firm's treasury yield expectations over the next 5 years. We expect the 10-year treasury yield to hover near 4.5% for the remainder of this year. The 10-year treasury yield begins to decline slowly in 2026, falling to 4.1% by 2027 and remaining there through the end of 2029. These are his predictions. We also have thoughts from the Congressional Budget Office and Goldman Sachs analysts in this article, which is roughly the same as Mr. Wolff's. So the question again, will mortgage rates drop in the next 5 years? Based on the estimates in this article, rates are not expected to drop significantly in the next 5 years. However, a recession or other unknown disruption to the economy, such as a financial collapse or pandemic, could change the outlook. A Realtor.com article points this out. To see how that affects buying power, consider a $400,000 home. At a 4% rate, the monthly principal and interest payment with the 20% down payment amounts to $1,500. But at a 6.75% rate, that same home loan jumps to $2,100, a difference of $600 per month. I end with this because if you're specifically waiting for interest rates to drop before buying, based on opinions from economists, bankers, and people in government, it doesn't look like rates will be dropping much anytime soon. I'm a licensed realtor, not a licensed lender. Talk to your lender about these rates. But yeah, do what you want with this information, guys. If you want to brainstorm some more, right? Let me know. We can get some tea brewing up and get a pen and paper. Work on your plan. But that's all I got for you guys today. And I was going to say, let me get back to this hot tea, but it's cold because I was working on what you just read. That's cold. Peace.